be available regularly. Okay. So try to gather all the information required from him. Okay. If there is anything missing, he will check on that and he'll get back to us. But try to grab everything today. Okay. I already spoke to him and said that we basically wanted to know how the front end should be connected to the back end and back end should be connected to the database. And for the testing purpose, he had used his local MongoDB. Okay, we will be now using cloud. Okay, that we will take care of that. Okay, so we have
Yeah,
Abhishek, and you can ask.
yeah, Abhishek. Abhishek, can you
Hello,
like
hi.
show? Yeah. Uh,
Uh,
so can you like show like the flow, how like I believe some environment variable and all of those configuration, how you are starting the application. So I want to understand that.
okay, okay. Is my screen visible? Just give me a second. I
Yeah,
will.
yeah, it is visible now.
Okay.
So as far as I understand, yeah, the front end is in React and back end is in Node.js and
No,
database is
no.
MongoDB.
Front end is in Angular, and back end is
Yeah, sorry.
no.
Angular.
Uh,
Yep, yep.
back end is Node.js with Express framework, and DB is MongoDB Compass. Okay.
Hmm.
So in here we have all the components, everything. In the every JS file we have a. One second, I will show API connections first. Just give me 1 second. Okay. I think one of the file is missing.
Yeah.
Is my screen visible, everyone? Okay, okay. I stopped screen sharing. Okay. So here we see as the services. So in services, we call the API calls. Hello. Is everyone
Okay. Yeah. I can
okay?
see that.
So in here we see JPMC bank, So in that we
Yep.
have write the backend code, index.jss and user.jss. This is the where all the routes I have written, registration and the login and everything. And coming to the main MongoDB connection, we have write a MongoDB connection. And the MongoDB schema is separate in models. Okay, I think you got. So
I got
if
the
you need,
point.
if you
Can
need, I
you?
will run the in the local.
Yeah. Please run and want to
Okay.
see like if it is working
Okay. Okay.
in a
So here you see it going to run, and this is backend. Backend is going to running, and this is the front end. Okay. I have start both parallelly.
Okay, can you like go and sign up new user?
Yes. Yes. One
Can you
second. One
start
second.
with that?
Yes. Yes. 1 second. I forgot the credentials. Just I am going to checking the credentials.
Also, if possible, can you like share? I believe this whole database, the JPMG database, you can
Yes,
zip
yes.
this document and you can share if possible
Okay,
for
definitely,
you.
definitely. Yes. You want this database? I think it's
Yeah,
just
you this
fake
database
data,
backup
but
basically.
still okay.
So
I will share
yeah,
it to you.
yeah.
Okay. So I think is it visible to you? So for example, if we transfer, if so, you forgot the mobile. Shit. So I will
Sign up.
just doing some already sign up is done. You do you want to see sign up?
Yeah. I want to see sign up. Actually, I was trying
Okay.
to do sign up
Okay.
yesterday.
Okay.
It's not
Yes.
able to
Just
do.
1 second. 1 second. So, okay. I'm give some random numbers. Hello. Hello. At the rate. Just remember this. I want to remember. One second.
Network.
Docker compose file delete.
Okay. 1 second. I
Yes, it's the
think
same. I think you
no,
should check for node network. I think there's no API call going on.
no way. Yesterday only we have checked this. We have do testing for this. Everything is working fine. Just give me 1 minute. I will check clearly. Okay.
Can you just go to that network tab, right side, that console one? Yeah. Now, if you like, can
Yes, yes.
you?
No, yes. There is no API calling because of there is some error in this form. So that's why I'm opening the console log.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
there is
Okay.
the API. Okay. 1 second. I will show the API call to you. Um, register. Registration. So you see, we sign up API call direct DB. So it's going to call. It's going to call. But one
This
second.
is, I think, backend. This
No, no. It's
the
front end.
thing which you.
It is
Okay.
front end. Okay. And it is going to call db.signup and it is in the services. So you see that there is a API call registration.
Okay.
So
But this
once
whole thing you have done, like from the perspective of this, like everything you have hard coded here in a local host, but once you deploy, I think you should pick all of those things from somewhere from environment variable, like the base URL and
mm-hmm.
all of those things.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, we need to change this whole code, like line by line, the load balancer DNS. It will
Mm-hmm.
be like, it will be much more helpful for any like DevOps to just put the
Okay.
environment variable and you will like you're reading those environment variable like the base API from
Mm.
some file. in front end.
Yes.
Because currently now it is hard coded. We need to change from everywhere. DevOps need to change every API call base path.
Okay, so you want me to deploy the backend code, is it?
No, just
Hmm.
open the code. Uh,
Okay, one
Open the
second.
front end code.
Okay.
So currently, you can see here everything is like going to localhost 4300,
Yes.
like the
Yes, it
base
is
part.
local, no? Right now. Yes.
This whole API path, the whole path should be picked up from somewhere in from the file, environment variable file, something like that. Because
Okay.
currently it
Okay.
is now
Yes.
hard
Understand.
coded. When we deploy, we need to change like each line. So
Yes.
Yeah.
if
And
this
Yes.
how
I understand. I understand. So for that, we have to deploy the backend. So then only we can get.
no
You
no
can.
I'm
mm,
no, like I am saying, just
Mm,
create one file and
variable is something like dollar, path or dollar uh, name. Okay, we can mention that, right? Wherever it is required, and put all those variables at a different file, in a different config file or so.
yes,
It
sir.
will be easy for us to only change that particular file. Okay, because
Okay.
here now when we are deploying using DevOps onto cloud, right? All those
hmm,
paths will be changing, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
path will not be localhost. It will be something else. So it will be easy for the DevOps engineer to only change that particular variable file, environment variable file. That's what Deepak is saying. Okay, because
Sir. Okay. I
as a
understand.
DevOps engineer, it will be difficult to know what are all things to change in that entire code. There are multiple files there, right?
Yes, sir. Okay. I understand.
Or at least if you can, if you can do that, it will be easy. Or let us know on what all things might be changing in cloud. Okay, so wherever you have local host and all. So
is my is my screen
just leave
visible
it.
to you all?
Yes. Yes.
Uh,
It's visible.
Abhishek, I'm trying to find out those API, but I'm not able to figure out like this component. I believe this registration page. This is a static HTML page. This component I'm
So
not able to figure out.
you have to go to TS file. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
this
There
one.
itself. No. It is a testing file. It is testing file. You have to go to TS file. Registration dot component dot ts.
Okay,
No. You are deviating. So just go to app. Give me one
FRP.
second. Give me 1 second. I got some call.
Transaction registration HTML TS file.
Sorry, small important call. Okay. Okay. Deepak, then you open the file. I will show you.
Okay, I
So
believe this API under apps I have to come here.
okay. I'll open the registration.
Race registration. Okay,
Yes.
the
In that
TS.
lost file. Another file is there.
Okay.
Yes. So there you see this dot db dot sign up.
This
Go down.
dot
Go
D.
down.
Okay, this
Yes.
one.
Yes. Yes. This dot sign up. So this is a
With
method
this
where
getting
yes.
return
Okay.
from here.
Yes. Exactly. Okay. You understand?
Okay, Abhishek, I believe, yeah, what I'm asking is, no, like
Hmm.
whatever thing you are doing here, apart from
Hmm.
this, because it will be very much difficult for any DevOps engineer. Just put
Okay.
.env or
Hmm.
env uh,
Hmm.
.json something file, and I believe not JSON, and just populate and pick up from here, like whenever your React application base
Hmm.
I believe
Okay.
should be like base API. Then when your application start, just inject
Okay.
this
Yes. I understand then.
in a
Okay.
runtime, like all of
Okay.
those
You
things. So
need some.
as a
Okay. I
DevOps
understand.
engineer, we just need
Hmm.
to repopulate like this base because in cloud this will get changed. This port and this host, like
Hmm.
because in place of this, the DNS will become more load balancer DNS or something like
Hmm.
SwadesiBank.com. So domain mapping we can do. So we just need to change from here, not go much more deeper inside the code. So all of those things I want, if this can be, it will be helpful for
Okay.
us.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Understand. So I think by tonight I will provide you by simplification by making a .env file and another variables. Okay.
Okay, this thing and that dump of MongoDB will be helpful.
Okay. Yes. Otherwise, I will connect a MongoDB Atlas. Okay. Is it okay for you? It is a cloud MongoDB service for free
Yeah.
service.
Actually, we will teach how to deploy that on AWS infrastructure, like all of those things will do. So I'm asking that JSON dump because I want to first
Okay.
show
It's
in local.
nothing. Just we have 5 numbers, dummy pieces. Okay. I will give
Yeah,
you
yeah, I
JSON
know, I
dump.
know.
Okay.
I'm just asking if
Mm-hmm.
it's not possible, then you can export from Compass only. I have done those
Oh,
things.
yes, I know. I know that. Okay. I will export and give to you. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
then that's it. Is it? Okay.
I think that's all from my side. That's my feedback. I think we can wrap up this. Uh, there's nothing from
Okay.
my.
Okay. Then by tonight I will provide a perfect file to you. Okay.
Sure.
So thank you.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks.
Thanks, Abhishek. Don't provide that file, okay?
Yeah, thanks, everyone. Thanks, Steve.
Okay, I'm stopping the recording.